Hey guys, just a bit of information for you. If you happen to own a silver Audi parked somewhere over there, I suggest you go to your lights off. Otherwise you might be walking home tonight, okay? So it's a silver Audi parked somewhere in that direction, opposite way to this bonfire, if you can't see me. Over there, opposite by Meadow Lane. Your lights are off.
Mama, do you have my glow stick? Yes.
You are on the bonfire side, just be careful of the wind blowing straight up to you guys, okay? So if you've got small children, keep a particular eye on them.
Come on, Michael. Jobo. Vale, Jobo, you should I need to go over there, let me see in a minute. When I get loose, the last one, I'll stay there. Let's take Jobo. Yeah, I guess hopefully it will start, huh?
This one just open the fire and take the fire over there to start with the fireworks.
Yeah. Yeah. What is the last?
Last year it was raining. But this year it was windy.
I hope.
Last year was one of the weekends where I went back to Germany.
Yeah, really.
You can stop it.